there everyone, this is a short video of the solo ballroom and it's the beginners quick step routine number 2. So this was taught in the class on the 14th of September 2020 and this is a short summary of the little routine that we did. And as you can see today, my cat is supervising from the sofa. Right, I'm going to make a start. So we counted everything in 8 and we started with the right foot. Check I'm not off the screen. There I am. Okay, so right foot forwards. I did walk, walk, heel, pause for the 4th count, and then I did walk, walk, toe, pause for the next count. So I'm going 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. We did this second time with the foot coming slightly off the floor, a little bit more like a Charleston step. Walk, walk, heel, walk, walk, toe. And for those in the class that didn't feel comfortable taking the foot off the floor because of the balance, they repeated it with it on the floor. Third time round, we changed the timing and we did a double front kick and a double back kick. With a look, walk, walk, kick, kick, walk, walk, kick, kick. Again, optional, and for those again that didn't want to take the foot off the floor. So here we go, right foot. We're going walk, walk, heel, pause. Walk, walk, tap, pause. Walk, walk in the air, pause. Walk, walk in the air, pause. Walk, walk, double kick and walk and double kick. There we go. 3 rounds. That's a Charleston variation. I'm just going to remove that tablet. My cat, just before I started recording, was watching Bird TV on her tablet. Yes, on her YouTube channel. Long story. Right, we then did some little hops. And again, 4 counts, 4 counts. First time I kept them low to the floor and I kept it more of a tap. So I did step and I did 1, 2, 3, 4, tapping gently on the floor. And then 5, 6, 7, 8. So the hop onto that foot and the first tap is on the same count on the 1. And then again to the other side on the 5. Take another look. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Second time around, I went a little bit from the floor. Instead of low, I went a little bit more high. Okay, so again, just trying to make a little bit more hop, and that was optional. Some people in the class kept it to a low level balance. Thighs, remember you need to work the thighs. Don't do this cold, make sure you've warmed up. So then that was a hop, 2, 3, 4, and a hop, 2, 3, 4. Again, taking that energy up, hopping using those thigh muscles. Optional. Okay, like I say, make sure that you are warmed up before you do this at full pelt. Okay. The next step we had, out and in, out and in. Let's call it the hopscotch step. Normal hopscotch would be out and in on one foot, yes? We have hopscotch variations. This one is out in, a little bit more like a jumping jack in a fitness class. Out, in, and I gave the variation for those that didn't want to jump, ankle problems, impact problems. Go out, ti-tum. 1 foot then the next, ti-tum. So you can go out, ti-tum, 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 ti-tum. We did it on a slow count, so it's going to be 4 slow counts, okay? Now, I also showed the heel variation. This comes a little bit more from the jazz dancers, the tap dancers, and it's a little bit more what you would see more in Charleston as well, going out and balancing on the heels. So you go, hurry, and in, then whoo, and in. Optional, don't break your shoes, please don't hurt your ankles. Okay, now, so we go out, in, out, in. That was everything done on one side, and then we did the whole thing on the left foot, going forwards. Okay, so let me count the whole thing for you. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and hold. 5, 6, 7, and hold. 1, 2, in the air and hold. 1, 2, 3, in the air and hold. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow and in, and slow, and in. We repeated going forwards on the left foot for the Charleston Variations, up and down. I'll walk it through. 5, 6, 7, and walk, walk, heel, pause, walk, walk, toe and pause, walk, walk, heel and pause, and walk and toe. Oh, sorry, I was supposed to go in the air. Let's do that again. Walk, walk, heel, walk, walk, toe, walk, walk in the air, walk, walk in the air, walk, walk, double, walk, walk, double. Yes, and double hands. Same thing, hops, left, right. A low, 2, 3, 4, and low, 2, 3, 4, and high, 2, 3, 4, and high, 2, 3, 4, and out, in, out, in. Everybody breathe. Take a moment, including me. Okay, next bit we actually added on some traditional quick step steps. Okay, so we did all of that, and then we were basically going to go from tipples. Okay, so we're going to go tipple left, tipple right, tipple left, tipple right. So it's a little tipple chassis. We did 4 facing the front, and then the next 4 I gave everyone the option to either continue facing the front. If you don't like rotation, stay at the front. If you like the rotation, the next set of 4 we rotated anti-clockwise direction, going left. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, or 1 and 2, and a 1 and 2. So 4 of them, make sure you're facing the front, okay, by the end of it. So tipple chassis. Next step, let's go in the corner. Locking step. So this is a step we would normally dance with our partner, and I put a little tap on the end just to put the time in the counts of 8s, because for the solo work we're trying to work in 4s and 8s to keep it simple. It's actually a 6 count when danced with a partner in the ballroom. So I'm going to go left, right, left, right, little lower, and the tap. The tap's an additional step just for the purposes of the solo dance. Slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow. So I did it forwards and back. Out step, up step, lock-in step, exit, additional tap. Out step, up step, lock-in step, out step, and tap. Hard to do slow. We did it forwards, back, okay, 2 sets. 5, 6, 7, and slow. Quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow, and slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Last step was the pendulums. Now I gave options 1, 2, and 3 depending on how mobile you are. Option 1, step point, step point, step point, step point. Keeping the feet on the floor, 1 at a time, keep yourself steady. Option 2, you're going to do that in 1 fluid motion to each side. Point, 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 and point. But you're keeping the pointed toe on the floor for steadiness. Option 3, those of us that are a little bit more physically able, swing like a pendulum, like the step says. Here we go. Swing, and swing, and swing, and swing. Slow, 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 and slow. Whole thing from the top. If I have enough breath, I will count all the numbers. 5, 6, 7, we go. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, in the air and hold 1, 6, 7 in the air and 1, 2, and a 3, and 4, 5, 6, and a 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slow, and slow, and slow. Other side. Walk, walk, heel and pause. Walk, walk, toe and pause. Walk, walk, in the air and pause. Back, back, in the air and pause. Forwards, forwards, double. Back and double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and out. slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 and slow, 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 slow. I breathe.